Southwest 4362, wind 2706, runway 1 left, clear for takeoff, don't delay.
1 left, clear for takeoff, no delay, Southwest 4362.
AirCanada 781, San Francisco Tower, wind 2706, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Land 28 right, AirCanada 781.
Southwest 3117, go down to Delta, please. Well, alright. Southwest 3117, yeah, use Tango there, hold short 28 left.
Tango, hold short 28 left, Southwest 3117.
Sorry, 9384, 28 left.
Yeah, 384, San Francisco Tower, 28 left, clear to land, wind 2706.
28 left, clear land, yeah, 384.
AirCanada 781, go around. 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 New Zealand 7 Heavy, contact NorCal departure.
New Zealand 7 Heavy.
AirCanada 781, go around. Hawaiian 12 Heavy, turn left at Echo, ground point 8.
Southern ground, 12 Heavy.
United 2065 without delay, cross to left, center ground point 8. Without delay, please. Traffic company 2 mile final and they're fast.
Yeah, we're moving
Southwest 3117, pull all the way up to the whole bars, hold short 28 left.
We'll do it, Southwest 3117, hold short 248 left.
1736, 28 left.
At 1736, San Francisco Tower, wind 2706, runway 28 left, clear to land.
Land 2 late, yeah, 1736.
AirCanada 781, tower. AirCanada 781, tower. AirCanada 781, tower.
Yeah, AirCanada 781 is coming with radio here.
That's pretty evident. AirCanada 781, pull all the way up to the southwest, get as close as you can, and hold short of runway 28 left, AirCanada 781.
Yeah, check that. Pull to southwest here, AirCanada 781.
Southwest 3117, cross to left, ground point 8.
Cross 28 left, ground point 8, Southwest 3117.
AirCanada 781, cross 28 left, contact ground point 8.
Alright, ground point 8, cross 28 left, AirCanada 781.
AirCanada 781, taxi Bravo to the ramp.
Bravo to the ramp, AirCanada 781.
Possible higher with deviation, I have a number, let me know when you're ready. AirCanada 781, are you ready for the number?
Yeah, go ahead for 781.